Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get off Walmart Spark waitlist. First, understand that the waitlist is zone dependent, so availability varies by location. To improve your chances, visit driveforspark.walmart.com and sign up for a high demand zone. Busy areas often activate drivers faster. Next, make sure your background check is completed quickly. This usually takes 1 to 7 days, so respond to any requests right away. You can also contact Spark Driver Support to ask about availability. Once activated, you can switch zones later if needed. And that's it. That's how to get off Walmart Spark waitlist. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.